Okay, just a quick video on doing a faucet, and here we go. Let's see. Take a look over here. You see what we got? We got the little black thing you have to loosen, and what's this? This too. This little thing had to come off. Pretty simple, but sometimes you're in a tight spot, and this is a tool that's pretty useful. It goes around. There's a slot, and it'll go around the pipe and slide up there, and you'll be able to turn this to loosen it and loosen those nuts. But I'm finding this is one of the most useful damn tools I got. I picked this up, and it's got one of these type of claws on here that tightens as you turn, and this just popped open everything up there, 1, 2, 3. So if you're doing a sink, I suggest you get one of these things. This should be done pretty quick, pretty soon.